My dear students, today I am giving you one more lesson in geography. In this lesson, 20 MCQs questions discussed. So let us see the MCQ question with answer on Indian water resource. Answer all of them and how many questions that you answer your textbook and comment. Dear student, welcome to the lesson. This is the sixth lesson, Geography, Indian Water Resource. Let us discuss the first one, MCQ question. The rivers of North India are also known as. The rivers of North India are also known as the Himalayan rivers, Peninsular rivers, Northern rivers, Ganga rivers. See, very easy question. The rivers of North Indian are also known as the Himalayan rivers. The Himalayan rivers. The most of the North Indian rivers are the birthplace of these rivers are the North Indian. For example, Ganga, Yamuna, and Brahmaputra. These are the birthplace of the Himalaya glaciers. Hence, North Indian river also known as a Himalayan rivers. See, second one MCQ question. The rivers of South Indian are also known as a peninsular rivers, the Himalayan rivers, Ganga rivers, and northern rivers. See, it's also very easy. The options, the right answer is the peninsular river. South India, it's a triangle shape. So below the Narmada river, it's known as the Deccan Plateau or peninsular region is a triangle. That region is known as another name of the peninsular. The South Indian rivers also known as a peninsular rivers. And third one MCQ question. The river Indus or Sindhu rise near. This is the birthplace of the river Indus. See the option. Option A Yamunotri, B Manasa Sarovara, and Gangotri and Mount Kailas. Which is the birthplace of the river Indus or Sindhu. The another name of the Indus is a Sindhu river. See, the birthplace of the river Indus is a Mount Kailas. Mount Kailas is the birthplace of the river Indus. The fourth one MCQ question. The river Narmada, it's a South Indian rivers. See, river Narmada, it's separated into the Indian two part, North Indian and South Indian. See, the river Narmada rise in or birthplace of the river Narmada. Yamunotri, Manasa Sarovara, Amarakantaka Hills, and Gangotri. See, it's also very easy. Yamunotri glaciers, the river Yamunotri glaciers is born on the Yamuna river birthplace. And also Amarakantaka Hills is the Narmada river's rise. Gangotri is the birthplace of the Ganga river. Manasa Sarovar is the birthplace of the Mount Lake. Manasa Sarovar is the birthplace of Brahmaputra. See, the right answer is the Amarakantaka Hills. Amarakantaka is the river Narmada rise. This is the birthplace. And fifth one MCQ question. The river Ganga rise in the. It's also a related question. It's also very easy. The Ganga river rise in Gangotri glaciers. Very easy. The river Ganga is born in the Gangotri glaciers. And also river Ganga rise in the Gangotri glaciers is the right answer. So next sixth one MCQ question. The total irrigated areas from well irrigation. So the irrigation types of question. The total irrigated area is from the well irrigation. There are the different types of the irrigation. Well irrigation, canal irrigation, and recently and also canal irrigation, well irrigation, tube irrigation, drip irrigation, and sprinkle irrigation. Is it? So and also This is the ancient irrigation types, the well irrigation. The total irrigated area is from the well irrigation. So option A 60.7%, 27%, 18%, 3%. See, the right answer is a 60.7% total irrigated area is from the canal irrigation. Seventh one MCQ question. The total irrigated area is from the canal irrigation. The total irrigated area is from the canal irrigation. See, 60.7% is the well irrigation, and the right answer is the 27% is the total irrigated area is from canal irrigation system. And option 8 MCQ question. The first multi-purpose river valley project of the country, or which is the first multi-purpose river valley project in the independent India? So which is the options are there? The Hirakud project, Damodar Valley project, Bakra Nangal project, Tungabhadra project. Which is the right answer? The first independent India's multi-purpose river valley project is considered as a Damodar Valley project in West Bengal. And ninth one MCQ question. The longest dam in India. Which is the longest dam in India? Hirakud Dam, Damodar Dam, Bakra Nangal Dam, Tungabhadra Dam. Which is the longest dam? The longest dam, the right answer is the Hirakud Dam. Hirakud Dam is considered as the longest dam in India. And 10th one MCQ question. Gobinda Ballabha Panta Sagara associated with this project. Gobinda Ballabha Panta Sagara associated with this project. See, the Rihad Valley project, Damodar project, Bakra Nangal project, and the Kosi project. So which is the right answer? See, observe the Govinda Ballabha Panta Sagar. It is the Rihad Valley project. Another one, Damodar, there is a no name. And another one, so Bakra Nangal project, the another name of the Govinda Sagara. Bakra Nangal is the Govinda Sagara. And also Tungabhadra Dam is a Pampa Sagara. Upper Krishna is known as a Basava Sagara. The right answer is the C. Which is the right answer? Gobinda Ballabha Panta Sagara associated with this project, Rihad Valley project. Rihad Valley project. And 11th MCQ question. See, these are the related to tributaries of the North Indian rivers. Jhelab, Chenab, Beas, Ravi and Sutlej are the tributaries of these rivers. See, Jhelab, Chenab, Beas, Ravi and Sutlej are tributaries of rivers of the. See, options are Ganga, Indus, Brahmaputra and Krishna. Very easy. Already you know the answer. See, which one is the right answer? Indus. Indus. Name the tributaries of the Indus. Jhelab, Chenab, Beas, Ravi and Sutlej are the tributaries of the river Indus. Another one related questions. See, the 12th one MCQ question. Yamuna, Gangara, Gangtok, Ramaganga, Gomati, Sarada, Sun and Kosi are the tributaries of the. Options are tributaries of Ganga, tributaries of Brahmaputra, tributaries of Indus, tributaries of Krishna. See, the related right answer is the discussed. See, the right answer is the tributaries of the Ganga. Chenab, Jhelab, Beas, Ravi, Sutlej are the tributaries of the Indus, as well as the same Yamuna, Gangara, Gangtok, Ramaganga, Gomati, Sarada, Sun and Kosi are the tributaries of the river Ganga. It's also the North Indian rivers or Himalayan rivers. And 13th one MCQ question. Water drawn directly from the river through the canal is known as. There are the two types of the canal irrigation. So one is inundation canal and perennial canals. See, that this one question is related to the irrigation project. Water drawn directly from the river to the canal is known as a inundation canal, perennial canal, irrigation canal, none of the above. Which is the right answer? See, inundation canal. Inundation canal is the right answer. The 14th one MCQ question. River Damodar called the Saro of the. It's a Saro of the rivers system. River Damodar called the Saro of the Odisha, Assam, West Bengal and Karnataka. See, which is the Saro of the river West Bengal? River Damodar. Right answer is the river Damodar is the Saro of the West Bengal. See, another one, the Odisha. So Odisha, Assam, West Bengal and Karnataka. Assam, Brahmaputra is the Saro of the Assam, and West Bengal, the Damodar is the Saro of the West Bengal. In Odisha, which one is the river Kosi? Kosi is the Saro of the Odisha. See, right answer is West Bengal. 15th one MCQ. The highest gravity dam in India. It's a highest gravity dam in India. So Rihad Dam, Damodar Dam, Bakra Dam, Hirakud Dam. Which is the right answer? See, the right answer is the Bakra Dam is the highest gravity dam in India. And 16th one MCQ question. Longest dam in India. The longest dam in India, Rihad Dam is the highest. See, and Bakranangal is the highest gravity dam, Damodar Dam, Bakra Dam and Hirakud Dam. Which is the right answer? The right answer is the Hirakud Dam. Hirakud Dam is the longest dam in the India. And 17th one MCQ question. It is an international river valley project in India. It is an international river valley project. The two countries are merged in this project, like India and Nepal. See, the Upper Krishna project, B, the Damodar Valley project, C, the Kosi project, the Hirakud project. Which is the right answer? Right answer is a Kosi project. Kosi project is the the Odisha and also Nepal. India, Odisha, in Odisha, and then like Odisha state, India and Nepal, the two countries are merged. The river valley project, this is a international river valley project, is considered as the Kosi project. The 18th one MCQ. The biggest multi-purpose river valley project in North Karnataka. This is related to the Karnataka. The biggest multi-purpose river valley project in North Karnataka. The very easy to understand. The Upper Krishna project and the Damodar Valley project, the Kosi project and the Hirakud project. See, which is the right answer? The right answer is a Upper Krishna project. And 19th one MCQ question. The reservoir created by the Tungabhadra Dam called. The reservoir created by the Tungabhadra Dam. It's also relevant to the another one question. See, Gobinda Ballabha Panta Sagara. It's a Rihad project. And Gobinda Sagara. Gobinda Sagara is the related to the Bakra. See, Tungabhadra, it's a Pampa Sagara. And Basavasagara is a Upper Krishna project. So which is the right answer? Right answer is a Pampa Sagara. The reservoir created by Tungabhadra Dam called the Pampa Sagara. And 20 multiple choice question. The important west flowing rivers of the India. There are the two types of the river flowing in South India. East flowing rivers and west flowing. The major river systems of the northern rivers, southern rivers. Northern rivers also called the Himalayan rivers. Southern rivers also known as a peninsular river. In the South Indian rivers also can be classified in two types. East flowing river, west flowing river. See, the important west flowing rivers of the India is a Narmada and Tapi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Ganga and Yamuna. Ganga, Yamuna is the North Indian. It flowing in the west direction. east direction. Krishna and Kaveri, it is also the east direction. Godavari is the east flowing river. In Narmada and Tapi is the west flowing rivers of the South India. The right answer is the Narmada and Tapi. Thank you, my dear student. I hope you understood all the 20th question. Thank you, one and all. I will next, let us discuss about the next chapter in next video. Thank you.